everyone, Michelle here, and I'm back with another What I Eat in the Day video. So if you're looking for ideas for what to eat vegan style for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and beyond, join me. Starting the day with a nice smoothie, just a fruit smoothie. I love putting oats and water in there. Sometimes I'll add cashews and that turns into like a nice milk when you blend it. I'm adding some fruit, and then I'm also gonna add some of these milked walnuts from Elmhurst. This is like a newer vegan milk brand, and they have all sorts of different nut varieties, and the ingredients are so simple. Filtered water, walnuts, cane sugar, salt, and natural flavors. I really, really like this stuff. So I'm gonna add that in there, blend it up, and guys, does this ever happen where you totally don't measure anything out specifically and you get like the perfect amount that you need? I love it. These smoothies are so creamy and delicious when you add oats in there. I really, really love that effect. Same with cashews. And now I'm gonna enjoy it. Starting the day with a smoothie is one of my favorite ways to start the day. Sometimes I'm cold, especially during the winter, and so then I use a little bit less frozen fruit. I used like a fresh banana just so that it didn't chill me to the bone. This glass, if you're wondering, is from Meaningful Paws, my friend Sue's vegan company. She has tons of vegan shirts and stuff, so definitely check that out. And yeah, I'm off to do some work this morning, and then I'll check in at lunchtime. So for lunch, I am going to whip up some GreeNoodles. I absolutely love these noodles. They have like added health benefits, but honestly, I just love them because they're so delicious. They're like ramen, they're really chewy, so good. I often will have them in soup, but today I'm gonna make them into a little stir fry. And I'm gonna mix them with some veggies. Let's see, what do we got here? Some snap peas. These are just like leftover veggies I have in the fridge. Some broccoli, some shredded carrot. By the way, getting carrot pre-shredded is so handy. Now I throw this in every time I make like vegetables or a stir fry, anything, soups, it goes in. And then let me show you what I'm gonna do for the sauce. So the main thing for the sauce is soy sauce. That's gonna make it nice and salty and delicious. I'm gonna add a little bit of tahini to make it a little creamy. Toasted sesame oil is the secret to life. Anytime I'm making stir fries or anything sort of Asian-y, I love adding toasted sesame oil, so good. I always sprinkle in some sriracha to give it a nice kick. We're doing garlic powder, lime, and a little bit of maple syrup. So cook the noodles, stir fry that all together, and we've got this. For a snack slash little sweet treat, I'm having these quinoa cookies. I actually made it using a recipe that's on World of Vegan from Heather Nichols and her new book. She made them as lemon pistachio quinoa cookies, and as you can see, the ingredients are really, really simple, pure, healthy, and to make them a little more decadent, I cut the pistachio and cut the lemon, and I put peanut butter instead of almond butter, and for the flour, I used ground almonds because that's what I was able to find at Trader Joe's. They're really yummy. They're packed with protein from the quinoa. Whenever I want one, I just stick it in the toaster oven and it gets nice and crispy and warm and delicious, and the chocolate gets all gooey, and yeah, I'm a big fan. All right, for dinner, I'm doing a simple burrito. This is my most turned to meal ever. I make burritos all the time, many times a week, pretty much every week. Every week I'll make a big pot of Instant Pot rice, just rice made in my pressure cooker. And then I'll use just like canned refried beans or pinto beans, black beans, whatever I have. Beans, rice, beans, lettuce, guacamole. I get like packages of guacamole from Trader Joe's, so I pretty much always have that on hand specifically for burritos. I find that I think their guacamole packaged is less expensive than if you were to buy the avocados. Maybe I'm crazy, but that's what I tell myself. Yep, guacamole, that makes it really yummy. If I feel like adding some vegan cheese, maybe I'll do that. Add some arugula, different lettuces, whatever I want. Roasted veggies, corn, salsa, grilled tofu. I can spice it up however I want, but I tend to try and keep it really simple, minimalist, and it's always so yummy. So that is my day. I might have another quinoa cookie before I go to sleep, or 2 or 3, depending on how hungry I am. But yeah, keeping it a simple day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked this little peek into some ideas for vegan foods you can eat. If you want to see more, let me know down below what type of video you want to see, more of this, other things. If you have questions, meal ideas, send them my way. I love hearing from you and chatting with you in the comments below. So yeah, please write me there. Thumbs up this video if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. So I see you in the next video, and I will see you later. Have a beautiful day, you guys. Bye!